The common ostrich, Struthio camelus, or simply ostrich, is a species of flightless bird native to certain large areas of Africa and is the largest living bird species. The common ostrich's diet consists mainly of plant matter, though it also eats invertebrates and small reptiles. Common ostriches prefer open land and are native to the savannas and Sahel of Africa, both north and south of the equatorial forest zone. It is the largest living bird species. Ostriches have 3 stomachs. Unlike all other living birds, the common ostrich secretes urine separately from feces. Ostriches have a sprint speed of around 40 to 45 miles per hour and can cover a huge 5 meters in one single stride. Territorial males fight for a harem of 2 to 7 females. It lays the largest eggs of any living bird. Unlike most birds, the males have a copulatory organ, which is retractable and 20 cm 8 in long. Lacking teeth, they swallow pebbles that act as gastroliths to grind food in the gizzard. Common ostriches can go without drinking for several days, using metabolic water and moisture in ingested plants. They have the largest eye. If you like this video, please hit the like button and let me know in comment. Share and subscribe to this channel for more such videos.